Hello and welcome to Mangley Town, and today's unboxing is one of the newer Class 43 sets, and it's Hornby R3698 and it's the Scotrail HST pack. So we'll have a look. And obviously instructions. You definitely tell it's one of the newer sets just because of the sheer weight of the motor unit. And this is 43183. Obviously it's there Inter 7 City logo for Scotrail. And obviously some of the scenic highlights in Scotland. Again, one of their newest and more up-to-date detailings on it. And opening doors as well. And unlike the older ones, it does have a hook on the back. And then we have the dummy car, 43033. Again, good grille detail. And the more modern style on the back windows as well. Obviously, for coming up to a meet the fleet, this is one which is going to have to take a while because there's no Mark III coaches released for it yet, so that'll be sometime in the future that'll give you a meet the fleet on that. But I hope you enjoyed the quick look at that, and I'll see you another time. Thank you very much.